Show me something really annoying that only another gamer would understand. I'll go first.
Hey, Pretentious Engineer here. I know you didn't ask, but one of the things that bugs me the most about gaming on a PS4 is that I don't know what you're saying, but yeah, you want me to open the blanket? Okay, here, it's open. There you go. Anyway, when I'm on a PS4, I don't play very often because I'm an engineer. Okay, go ahead. You could have it because I'm an engineer and a dad and in grad school. But it's like every time I'm finally ready to play the game I've been thinking about for a week and I turn it on, it decides it needs to update like the file with like 20 gigs and then it takes 4 hours to load and I don't play video games. It's up on that.